Yo, it's your boy Coinstock back at it again, stuffing these duffel bags and collecting that cheddar. Before I begin, please don't hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a friend trying to educate you. Alright, today we're going to be talking about KuCoin, not specifically the centralized exchange, which is relatively popular in the line of exchanges, but last month, I believe, it came out with its own blockchain called KuCoin Community Chain, or some people call it KuChain. All right. Now, it's kind of like BSC, but honestly, I think it's the second runner-up, or at least it will overtake BSC on the CoinGecko charts, CoinMarketCap charts, what have you. I think this has really good potential. But I mean, I won't let it speak for itself. I mean, I'll let it speak for itself, but like you can get KuCoin or KCS, that's the symbol for it, on KuCoin itself. And I think there's other exchanges too, but we'll figure that out down the road. All right. Let's see. It's not like in the top 10. Well, it almost is. It's definitely in the top 15. Yeah, it's at 12 right now. It was at 15, but it's been bumping up to 12, as you can see in the green right there. Let's see. Yeah, in the last 7 days for the exchange. Let's see. Yeah, like that. All right. Well, all the other exchanges have been, kind of dropping in numbers. But besides that, that's the KuCoin exchange right there. But here's the homepage for the community chain right here. All right. So it's KCC for short. It has KRC20 tokens. And people have already made platforms on the not the exchange, on the blockchain. Like, for instance, DEXs and, meme coins and what have you. But this is still relatively new. It still has a lot of potential. All right. They just released a bridge. Let's see where I can find it. Hold on, let me close this real quick. Let me see where I can find it. Yeah, the Kcc Bridge, I believe. Well, let's click on it real quick. I believe it only has you can only exchange BSC tokens, but I don't know. I don't think ETH is really fully there yet. You can also use one of their dexes. One of their dexes has a bridge, KuSwap, but I'll be talking about that in another video. Actually, with this, you can use Ethereum. Let's see, let me try to click it. Yeah, so on the bridge of KCC, the actual blockchain's homepage, you can only use Ethereum network and KCC, while on one of the dexes, KuSwap, you can use BNB and KCC. I think there's one other blockchain too, but like I said, it's just at the beginning stages. We're just looking at it right now before we get into the nitty gritty of the blockchain projects. Let's see. And this is how you can connect to mainnet via MetaMask. So like chain name, KCC mainnet, chain ID 321, symbol KCS, and those are the RPC URLs, Explorer URLs, and WebSocket, blah 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 blah. There's more in the docs actually that you can try to deploy or try to configure your MetaMask wallet, and you can see it right here with frequently asked questions, how to configure your MetaMask wallet. All right, so just go to kcc.io and then try to navigate to docs, or just put docs.kcc.io. That should work too. Let's go to the next one. All right, so kind of weird, but I think this is just rat KCS, but on the blockchain for a KRC20, 6,553 addresses. So obviously this is still relatively new, definitely new for a new blockchain. People are, updating time and time again. 956. They're actually building their own new Explorer for the KCC network. Right now you can see that it says explore.kcc.io. That's what it says, but still has a whole bunch of potential. You can go ahead and go to explore.kcc.io to look at the different tokens that you want to look at. And let's go look at the price chart. All right, so it's at $10.59 right now. It's up like 6% on the day. Now, this may look, like it's just, it's stable or going a little bit up piece by piece. That's just the 24-hour, and here's the 7-day. I'm like not a financial advisor. Don't know. I'm not like a TA guy, but oh my goodness, it's loading so slow. Let me reload this right here. Excuse me. All right. So let's go to the year. Yeah. So around like one of its lowest is like December 2020. It was like 71 cents, right? But then it just absolutely blew up because, Bitcoin was going up too. Not going to lie. Why is this going so slow? All right. So it like shot up to like $4, well, $6 really. And then went down and then went all the way up to like $17, $18, $19, and then went all the way back down. But now it's making a steady incline. I think people are catching on that this could be the next blockchain. Like it has tons of potential. It could be the next BSC. Who knows? It could be the next Polygon. We'll just have to wait and see. All right. And then they also have announcements too. Like the announcement on the official launch of KuCoin Community Chain, KCC, built by the fans of KCS and KuCoin. KCC is a decentralized public chain with high performance. Its purpose is to solve the problems such as low performance and high cost of public chain to provide community users with faster, more convenient, and low cost experience. And you can go to the kccofficial.medium.com address to really look at the nitty gritties of it. All right. Oops, didn't mean to right click right there. But yeah, go ahead, check that out if you want to. And also the Kcc Bridge. Kcc has been running stably and smoothly for a month since its mainnet launch on June 16th, 2021. On July 16th, 2021, a new generation of public chain, Kcc, official website, that officially launched its cross-chain bridge, the Kcc Bridge. All right. Yet again, like I said, very, very new. They're trying to get more and more people into the blockchain. They're actually right now working on a dApp store, and I don't know what that's supposed to mean. Is it like a like you can like a Steam on a desktop or like a app store on a phone? We'll have to wait and see. But it seems like they have some ideas. Just they're raffling off. Just brainstorming up. So, I mean, I'm going to keep a close eye on this KCC, on this KuCoin Community Chain. I'm just calling it KuChain. I'm definitely going to keep an eye. It has a lot of potential. And also, the YKCC is a decentralized public chain with high performance. Its purpose is to solve the problems such as low performance and blah, 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 blah. Our advantages: fully compatible with Ethereum and ERC20 smart contracts, extremely low cost of migration. So they completely, they're compatible. They can speak to the ERC20 smart contracts, or so they say, KCS. Yeah. Yet again, you can get KCS KuCoin right here on this website. I'm definitely going to keep an eye, but what do I know anyway? I'm just keeping you up to date on the down low. But I guess I'll see you guys later.